So just please ping me if the audio is audible on my my video is audible in the YouTube. Kindly in YouTube. We have like previous participants also here. So can anyone confirm that, like, from YouTube? Just type you're audible. That's why one minute. Can you see the thing? So it's good to go. Shubham or Madhura can help me out, like in YouTube. I am audible as well as yep, sure. Yep, cool. So yeah, so welcome guys. This is Archi Envision design problem as well as exhibition. So we, our architects, are presented here to exhibit our parametric architecture. So we have a couple of architects from various of the world, various positions from the world. So we are practicing parametric architecture, and we have gone through some tips and techniques, and we came across and exhibiting our works over here. So thank you for watching this. If you people are watching it, just share with your friends, so you people will get a good insight about parametric architecture and how things are happening in 2021. So this is all about this thing. So I have made an exhibition so called Parametric Architecture Design Problem and Exhibition. So it starts from Paralab6.0. There are 20 to 25 students are attended this, and from various across the world, and they have presenting their works. So yeah, we can start with it. So this is actually the problem which I have given to those people. So the problem is like that they have to create a 40-story building, or like they have to design a front facade with the parametric architecture using different methods on parametric facade treatment. So this is a problem one, and this is a problem two, which created 100-story buildings parametric skyscraper using Grasshopper. So they have gone through the 10 days workshop, which I will talk later in the end. So people who are watching in YouTube, just comment your insights about the parametric architecture. So we will talk about it later. So these are the things, which two problems which I have given to the students which who are participated in Archi Envision. So choose one problem you're good at and explore your creativity through parametric design. This is the insight which I have given to those people. So they have submitted it, and this is the exhibition you people are watching right now. So design exhibition by Archi Envision. So we can jump into the students exploration, which we can start from one by one. So I just given a basic introduction about what we're gonna see in this 1 hour of session. So please stay online. If you people are watching it, if you people have the links, you can share with your friends. So yeah, we can go and see what our students having in their output. So just wait for 1 minute. We start from Madhura. Yep. Can I open your screen so it will be comfortable for you? Yeah, cool. So 1 minute. So yeah, this is what she have done for that thing. So yeah, Madhura, you're ready to go. Yeah, you're audible. Can Shubham, can you check that YouTube is giving her voice? Can you please check that? can you talk some insights about this, like some few words about this, like, so just talk about the parametric facade, the project, location. You can start with it, Madhura. Okay. Yeah, Shubham, can you say that it's visible or not? It's audible. Cool. Cool. So yeah, thank you for the confirmation. Thank you guys. So yeah, you can continue. Yep. Yep. Okay, cool. So, sorry. So yeah, actually, this form you have created over here, right? So you have used Lunchbox for this thing, and you have created said that like you have created using this Lunchbox. Actually, so can you elaborate in this thing? Like, so it's actually like in this curve kind of thing. So how you achieve this? Like, so it's actually nice to look at it. It's actually a new way of looking the facade. So it's actually looks crazy like for the shading element. So can you just explain how you attain this each module? If it is a single node, it is more easy for us to understand. Okay, so you have chosen one site and you have made this site as a this kind of facade, rotating building with a facade, right? Yeah, this actually looks nice. So you have what she said is like, as per my understanding, I'm just giving my thoughts of view. So she took it from this design inspiration from here, and she just combined these two elements, and she just split up the center element part, and she just explored in a 3D form. So after that, she for this kind of design, right, if you people are seeing the YouTube, so if you are new to the parametric architecture, if you are seeing this kind of design, right, so this is actually a parametric facade which we can create. So for that, she have used the point on curve command and move the point to a different location, and just lofted it and got an output of like this different approach for the facade. So this actually looks nice. So I'm just giving my thought process about this, the design aspects as well as the presentation aspects. So yeah, the presentation is pretty good, and the one thing I just want to share is like you can make like a what to say, like PPT or something. It's actually having a lot of information. Can you see that the location of the thing is like it's actually in Pune, Maharashtra, and you have detailed out so much things. And it's actually you have done the elevation as well as the plan, you have done the site plan. It's actually good. So you have given a aerial view and human high perspective, axonometric view, and there is a view which shows the entire design of the project. So that's actually great to see it. So the only point I just want to add is like just focus on the presentation part much more, because you are good in the Grasshopper as well as in the conceptual thing. So try to focus on that. Apart from that, it's actually a good, pretty new design which I'm seeing for the facade. So I have seen a lot of facade treatments, but this is actually quite new, and it's actually an eye opener kind of thing for me. So I can take some knowledge from you. That's actually pretty good. So if you have anything to share, you can share, Madhura. So these are the inputs which I can give for you. Or else we can move on to the next participant. Am I audible? So, am I audible, guys? Can anyone say yes or no? So yeah. So this is what I want to share. This is actually a pretty good design. Just try to focus on the presentation part. Apart from the design aspects, it's actually the facade looks so good. It can be a functional thing as well as it's not only for conceptual thing. It's actually we can build this thing in future or something. So this actually looks nice. So you have taken the facade treatment problem, right? You have chosen the second problem, sorry, first problem which I have shown previously. The problem one, which is you're gonna treat the facade as a parametric facade, right? Yeah, she have taken that. So try to work on this thing like that. Yep. Abdiya. Okay. Just wait, guys. Thank you for that money. Can you anyone confirm that, like, wait. Can anyone speak about it so we can confirm it? So Mani can confirm it. Can Madhura can continue the thing? So that's actually a good, pretty design. So we can. Yeah, just use 2-3 words so Mani can will get your voice or something from YouTube. Yeah, just sure. Yeah, we'll also check. So yep, thank you for that. Can anyone confirm that? Guys, so we would fine. We just think about it. So we can just continue with this. Like I will re-upload this thing to YouTube, so people will get the voice of yours. So yep. So yes, I am just recording it also. So it will be I will record it also. So it will be I will get this and upload it. Sorry for the technical issue, guys. I will rectify it. Can anyone give me an insight about like how anyone used OBS before? Anyone know about this? Okay. Let's check. Image. We just start with Shubham. How the order is going. So I'm just want to see the order. So yeah, Shivam. Shivam is not here, I guess. So can we go with Shubham? So people just go and check it. Money, can you go and check it out, and you can just ping me in the message so I can get to know that like is audible or not in YouTube. So if it is audible, I will give another chance for you, Madhura. So yep, please stay online. So thank you for the presentation which you have shared. It's actually good. So we can go to Shivam right now. Sorry, Shubham right now.
Yes, sir.
Yep. So this is the one, right? This is the one, right, Shubham?
Yeah.
So we start with this presentation and we can go for the video. One minute, I just open it. Yeah. Should I zoom?
Yeah, can I start?
Yeah. Sure. You're audible and good to go.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Shubham. We start with design problem. I tried to work out the design tools and if you can see the picture. This is a typical section plan of the features of the design, parametric, number stock, reading parametric, and if you can zoom, you can also go to the script. I just started
with the seating. So okay, like we can start it with the museum, this thing, right? So you have created some museum here. Just start with the museum. So you have created a desktop. I can see that. Just start with that. So we can go one by one. We have done a lot of works, so I can appreciate that. So we just start with that.
Yeah, I'm explaining all. I think so. There's something echo.
Hello. Sorry to interrupt, but his voice is echoing.
Okay. So you can now you can start. I just mute for some time. So after your thing, like I can give my comments.
Yes. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, it's okay now.
Yeah, now it's clear. Thank you. Thank you, Jamin. So I just started with thought process and script. I just we just go through it. I just started with Ellipse, and with the help of software, I started developing a thought. So basically, I want to do some organic shape. So basically, I started with triangular panels. I started with triangular panel and triangular patterns and exploded them. And I just give distance from center point and later then divided into three surfaces with the help of graph mapper and all. So I explain it in detail. Uh, I fix this form according panels like triangular pattern has more organic look like petals or lotus type. So after exploring some new commands and geometry, I evaluated the panel surface by deconstructing and rotating grip and given two random points to the surface. And with the help of MD slider and graph mapper, I created variation in points and the sizes of panels. After that, all I was done that extended base and apply diagram structure to base. Can you just slide the uh, uh, presentation? Yeah,
Next slide.
at the base, and I extruded the surface and floors, and then bake. That's all about the mm, structural things.
Okay.
And about design, building orientation and facade. It's oriented according to sunlight, like architectural principles. There is no harsh sunlight attacks on inside of the building. If you can see the facade treatment, and I try to make it more green, like by giving large green open spaces and circulation spaces activities like garden and all around the building. So that's all. That's all about my design.
Okay. So
Yes, we can go through all the pictures, and I have made one walkthrough, which is a link I have shared on WhatsApp.
can you give some insight about this structure which you made
This is
here?
a
This is
museum.
actually looks
I have
cool.
placed
Yep.
around the skyscraper for visual purpose and surrounding.
Okay.
These are the different time zones which I captured the images. Some of evening, like mid evening, morning, night. Voice is not on, I think.
Pardon? Do you have anything to say, Shubham? This is the video, right? I can play it, right?
Yeah, I just created surrounding for the design, like town, and place the design
Okay,
according
cool.
to
So I
architectural
just
principles.
play it. You explain it. I
Yeah,
just
I
play it
explained all the things.
you just explain it.
We
I
can just
mute
go
for
through
some time. Okay.
we can just go through the video. But audio is not there.
What is not clear? Audio is not clear.
Yeah,
So,
video.
so I just shared this link which you are given, right? I will ping it on YouTube on my page, so people who are watching this video also will get to see this video. Is that cool? If it is not working, the audio.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so I'm just gonna mute for some time. You just explain what you have done and how we have done. So it will be more helpful for us to understand what is the design process and thought process behind your this kind of thing. So I just mute for like 5 minutes. You just explain whatever you want. So because it's echoing, right? So I just stay for some time.
Yeah. Yes, I was said before, I just make some surrounding for building and orient building according to architectural principles like sunlight and airflow. Or I thought about harsh sunlight and give panels and orientation of building accordingly. So there is no harsh sunlight in building. And you can see there is a panels like I use two types of panels, like one is a triangular panel and another is a hexagonal grid. The material I used is for panel is metal and there is a black glass. You can see surrounding there is a town. I have made on my imagination. There is no such structure exists. I just try to make things lively, placing people and cars, and so it's more interesting. I have placed some parametric furniture also. You can see in the video a parametric bus stop to different types of seating parametric. So all surrounding furniture also designed with Rhino and Grasshopper. And I see the view from far away. Yeah. If you have any questions, ask.
So that's actually a pretty good presentation which you have seen from the Paralab students. So thank you for this presentation, Shivam. So I'm just inspired from your presentation. So thank you for that. I'm just gonna give a like and I'm gonna give a comment for this also. So yeah, for sure I will do it and I will share with the people the people who are willing to learn and some knowledge about parametrics and the visualization of architecture. So we don't want to see this, so we just go and use this image and we will talk about it. So it will be, sorry, not this image, Shubham, right? Yes, this is actually the presentation. The overall presentation is so good. So you have started with what is it? The facade treatment as well as the building which you have shared. So you have started with the ellipse and you have lofted it and made these things, right? So yep, this
Yeah. I
structure
curved
to
it a little
hold
bit.
this.
I just rotate a little bit.
Okay, so yeah, I just give my command, so or else people who are listening this like will get echo of it. So if you want to speak, like I can mute myself. So I just give me 5 minutes so I can give my insight, so it will be helpful for others also. This is actually pretty what to say, like awesome presentation which I have seen so far. So thank you for this. Thank you for the presentation. So you have done a lot of exploration from museum as well as bus stop, and then you have done a seating and lighting kind of thing. So we have done a lot of exploration using the parametric architecture. So thank you for that. Thank you so much. So yep, you have created this kind of frame structure as well as you have created these kind of patterns to attain this. So this is actually pretty good design, but I'm saying that there is a monotonous of this kind of design. I just talk about this museum thing, so which you have created is actually a new way of exploring form as well as space. So this is actually one of the thing I admire most, one point. And bus stop is also looks good. And the interesting thing is like you have done a seating, the overall context of the profile itself like parametrics, that concept I like the most. So what I think, I just give some change to add on. What are the things, or like you just try to focus on the museum aspects as well as the bus stop and seatings, just try to focus this also. So yeah, the walkthrough is more focused on this aspects, that means the building aspects. That's actually good because the design problem is it's more focusing on buildings, so you just focused on this. So this is actually quite good. The lacking part which I have a what to say, like I admired the furniture but I can't see the furniture, like it's gone for like 2 seconds and I can't see it properly. That's the point which I want to share. So if it is like stay for at least 30 seconds or 40 seconds, I can see what is the design or how you are transferring it. So you thought like this is not like interesting part. This is actually also an interesting part. Try to focus this also, this three things. So this is actually quite good. So I don't want to say any commands about this. This is actually quite good, and you have done a very good job for this parametric facade as well as the skyscraper. I just want to add on these points. So thank you for that. Thank you for your effort as well as your time for submitting this design problem. So yep, the renderings are like good, the visualization part is good, and you have done a lot of exploration from morning as well as night. So it's pretty good presentation which I have received right now. So this view, if I want to choose one view out of all the views, this is the perfect view which you can put it in your portfolio. So this view you can put it in your portfolio. So this have a proper lighting as well as proper view set, and it shows only the main object of the building. This is actually looks good for my suggestion. So and then this also looks nice. Try to a little bit of thing which I have to add it is like there is a floating thing is happening here. So this part is like good. So apart from that, like we have to attain the 100%, like we have to focus on that, and there has to be a light. There is an interesting feature over here. But I can't see much things over there. So try to light up these things, so it will be more interesting as well as more eye pleasing to see these things. This actually looks good, man. So thank you for that presentation. And yeah, you just see another time the overall presentation. So people who have watched the walkthrough in YouTube as well as in Google Meet, try to present this. So we have made a museum over here. So the museum is also visible from this point. This is the only point I can see the museum. So try to visualize the museum also. He have done the museum in other presentation. I just want to share with you people, so you people will get to know that. Super. I just confused with these two people now. Okay, fine. Practice. So yeah, I just shared this also. This is actually the museum exploration which he told me that while working on it. So these are the tricks which he done. So these are the exploration things, parts. So people will get to know what I'm trying to say. So these are the image which he took while exploring the museum as well as things. So the design part of is like good. Thank you for your presentation, and if other peoples are available, we can move on that. So thank you for your presentation, Shubham.
Yeah, thank you for your guidance.
Thank you so much. So I guess the peoples who are submitted the presentation, but they are not online right now because most of two of Junite, David is from I guess he is from some other part of the world, so he can't attend the design problem right now. So I just give my insight. So we have done the presentation and uploaded it. So I just shared his presentation, so people who are watching it will get to know about it. He's from I don't know the location of I forgot him where he's from. Germany, I guess. So can you people see my screen? Can anyone say yes? Shubham.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you for that. So the thing which I can share is like this is the thing which he shared. So while talking to him, he have worked on this skyscraper. So I just review this, so he can also give his thought. So if I am posting it the YouTube, so he can also see the video and he can share his thought in a command or something. So it will be more interesting for us. So yeah, a climatic responsive skyscraper. So he have done that, and in the face of climatic change, the energetic efficiency is vital of humanity and engagement the vital time on Earth. So we have done a basic description over here. So yeah, the building is located in a hot and dry topic near the educator. Okay, cool. So yeah, he have done some hot dry climate kind of thing. So now only I am just seeing this and reading about the insights. So he have made as my observation, he have made some opening panels over here. So yep, so as per understanding, so he have created some floors as well as this thing. This actually looks nice. So we just go by one. So we just talk about it, we just crit about it. This actually look nice while seeing it, and it's actually in a mountain region and have a title of Live City and Calcio. I don't know where it is, CO. So yep, I'm just moving on to the next slide. Chromatic double facade. So we have made some double facades. Okay, cool. Changing facade that folds through a chromatic. So he is from other language, I guess. So yep, system allowing that natural lighting and air to enter the building when plane it covers the critical from radiation. So he have made some sort of opening facade. So it will, as per understanding, I'm just giving my thoughts. So as per the radiation, what the facade will do is like it will fold the facade. If the radiation heats, so the facade will fold like so. According to the radiation, if the sunfall is maximized over here, it's a dynamic facade. So it's a dynamic. As per my knowledge, I'm just sharing that thing. So if Juno is watching this, after seeing this video, you can upload your thought process so people will get to know this. So people who are watching the YouTube, just go and subscribe the Arcane Vision. People who are not subscribed it, just go and subscribe that. If you subscribe, thank you for that. So yeah. And parametric ecosystem. So this is actually, we have given a title about parametric ecosystem in mix with the nature, environmental design and time efficient construction. Let this part parametric design be the foresight for the buildings for the development cities in the tropic. So we have placed both in the location as in nearby the mountains, and we have created some aspects over here. We have created some dynamic patterns over here. So he have made one elevation over here. It says some numbers which is not visible. So he have created some sort of floating element, which I don't know what is this, but it says some thing, I guess. If he is here, he can talk about it. So yeah, this is the part which I want to talk is like this part. This actually looks good, and the part which he told to me is like he have used kangaroo for the edge points. So here the detail out of the facade over here is like here he have detail out the kangaroo kind of thing. So while talking with him, like I get to know that he used kangaroo for this facade kind of thing. So yep. So cool. So we have created the environment, we have created this kind of building. So here humans, all sort of insights are there. So yep. And this is actually the Atrium creates an environment for the learning. As you see what others are developing the same way, it lets hot air to run up and it gives lives to shape. Livable architecture. Okay, livable. Cool. So you have created a central atrium. So can you people see that you have detailed out much more, but the visualization part has to be improved by himself. So we have created some sections over here and an open section over here. So this is the detail thing which he have showing over here, but the thing I just wanted is like this is actually interesting to see if he shown a big picture of this in a full image. It will be like more interesting as well. As this actually looks so cool, right? Which have a section, cross section of this thing. So you have some made the panels holders over here, and these are the panels. So yep, we have done that, and we have made a cross section with the atriums, how atriums looks like, and there is a opening of from the base to the top. So that's how it's acting, I guess. So yep, this is what he have shared, but he is not available right now. He's from Germany, I guess. I forgot his location, man. I will ping him, like I will put his Instagram also. If people have any doubts, you can ask with him. So yeah, this is actually a pretty nice presentation. So Junaid, David, if you're watching this in YouTube, thank you for your submission. Thank you so much, and thank you be a participant of Archean Vision. So some people have done their works, but they are not up to the what is it? They are not available for this today time, so I just want to share some of the works also, so people who are listening here just try to please stay online and visit Archean Vision. So I have linked www.archeanvision.com in YouTube. Just go and try it out if you are interested. If you are interested about parametrics, you can go and try it out. So this is one of the exploration by Shivam Danzel. So he have done, this is actually the day 3 process which he done, but he is like submitted his design problem, but it's actually in a Grasshopper file, so we just talk about that later. So as of now, I just go through all the submissions which I have covered as of now. Just look at it. I will post it in my YouTube channel as well as in my website, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, this is one of the facade exploration which he done while in the day 3 with the help of Archean Vision. So yeah, I mentioned everything over here. This is actually a visualization which made by V-Ray, as well as the facade treatment which he created is a hexagonal panel and with the attractive points. So yeah, this is the Instagram ID is here. You just go and ping him also. If you have any doubts, you can go and ping him also regarding the visualization as well as the scripts which you want to share. Like you can ping Archean Vision also. You can search in Instagram at the rate of Archean Vision, so we can collab over there, and there is a upcoming workshops are there. I will talk about it. So we have done these things. So yeah, actually this actually looks a pretty good thing which I can share. So I just share some of my students works also, sorry, participant works also. It will be more eye-opening for you people. So this much of people have done it, from 3 to 4. I just upload each and every files, not the output things in the Instagram, so you people will get to know what I'm talking about. So I guess these are the people who have submitted the design problem. So from Akshita to Shafrin, they are from like previous batch students. Those people have done their works and they have submitted their works. I will follow up. I will post their works by one, so it will be easy, right, to understand. Like I will post it and I will share the links in the description. Just go and check it out. So thank you. I guess I have covered the 4 design problem which people shared, which yep. So yeah, so the winners, yeah, we just have to talk about the winners, right? The winners will be I will give marks, like certain marks for them, and it will be a public poll. It will be in Instagram, and the winner will be selected on Tuesday. I'll give the winners thing by Tuesday. Why? Because the winner will get a participant thing of, these are the previous student participants winner. So this is how it works. Previous design competition winners, Paralab 4.0 as well as 5.0. This is the thing which we are talking about right now. So the persons who are presented will get a mark, and the public voting is also there, not only for me, like there will be a public voting, and the public who thinks the most and who have done walkthroughs will be get a higher points. So Shivam has done that, so I will post and I will update in the group, so people who are in the Google Meet, I will update in the group. So these are the special mentions of this thing. So winner will get an upcoming workshop, which is digital fabrication, for free for the initial Paralabs 8.0 until the people who are participating it. If you are a person from previous participants also, you can attend these workshops, and you can also be a part of the design competition. It's not a problem if you are from like Paralab 5, if you are from Paralab 4, if you are from Paralab 3, it's not an issue. You can, whenever you are feeling to practice on parametrics, you can come and join in this forum. So this is for this thing, and I will share the outputs in WhatsApp group. So if you people who are watching in YouTube, I guess YouTube is where people who are watching in YouTube are echo issues. Now it's okay, cool. So yeah, I just tried out. If you people have any queries, you can ask in the comments. I will be there for like 10 more minutes. So thank you for attending the online thing, which is by Madhura, Shafreen as well as Shubham. So a lot of people are not attended this, like that's okay, fine, like they will find it out in the YouTube. So yeah, if you people have any queries or anything to share, you can share. Shubham, Shafreen, Madhura. She's also left again. Okay, cool. So thank you for submitting the things. Like I will update you people in WhatsApp group, which we have, right? So we can update. And thank you for who are all presented in YouTube. Just go and subscribe it. I will be available 2 more minutes. So yeah, thank you for it, and thank you for the design problem which we lived it so far and so good. Thank you for your presence, and thank you so much. Just share with your friends about Akin Vision, so we can walk along together. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you, Madhura.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir.